Hello, I'm Angelica Miguel and this is my video report demonstration for activity number 6, the game particle systems and game post-processing effects and the game physics simulation. So first is the game particle system. Unity feature a robust particle system where you can simulate moving liquids, smoke, clouds, flames, magic spells, and a whole slew of other effects. In this tutorial, you will get a high-level overview of the particle system and its features so that you can start getting ideas for your own project. So first is this example. So particle system are large collection of a small object that create pseudo 3D visual effects such as clouds and beams. Since Left 4 Dead source system has also covered full screen post processing effects. So a particle system is often includes a number of nested child effects, each of which and made of plug-in components that control the behavior of the system. This allow for each particle effect to be as simple or complex as needed. So particles are made with particle editor. You must add all PCF files it creates to the particles manifest that text file in game particles folder before they can be seen by the engine. So this renders, so examples, itong si renders define how particles get drawn. This includes sprites, ropes, sticks, and so forth. Each particle can be drawn multiple times in multiple ways if you wish to do so. So based on these properties, the components that control the particle system compute each particle current state, each frame. Then control points are the basic external input and mechanism for a particle system, and each system can have up to 64 control points, have a position, orientation, and on entry they can reference by default. Control point 0 is the particle system origin and orientation. So renderer is, we have the render animated sprite. So draw floating animated sprite with option for animation rate, cooling, and orientation control. And the render rope, so render particle into one continuous rope, adjustable for smoothness and texture details, useful for effects like muzzle, smoke, and electricity. Then the render screen velocity rotate, so rotation based on movement direction and suitable for effect like spark and spiraling particles. Then next is the render sprite trail, so sprite with trails based on velocity, useful for bullet, tracer, or glowing beams. Then the render blobs, particles as blobs of liquid primarily used in Portal 2 for rendering gel. Then the render models is 3D models instead of particles, suitable for effects like debris or Gibbs. Visibility data is disabled for this renderer. Then yun. Next is the letter scheme effect based on particle system in Unity 3D Rasa EMAM. So according to that is University with growing maturity of technology and rapid development in video games industry, players shape higher needs for game display. To full this game developers still pursue higher game or etc. Effect range, shadow, explosion, makes game attractive and reality. It's difficult to experience this effect personally in word but are often simulated and virtual gaming world. Unity 3D is a professional game engine which is mostly adopted in the recent years. It has gained tremendous attention from game developers community for its quickly quirky features. So this is the example. So particle effects are, we have the looping, start delay sets, start lifetime, start size sets, and start rotation and start color. So the emission, we have the emission, velocity, over lifetime, force over lifetime, color over lifetime, size over lifetime, and rotation over lifetime. And the rotation over lifetime, so the renderer and collision. To create believable effect, usually more than our particle system is layered in effect, as things are one one can do with this just one are quite limiting. Effects like fire, lightning requires more than one particle system in a scene. For example, the fire can require many particle effects such as a fire glowing or smoke emerging. Then, so this is the sample 2 and 3, the fire. So in these games is visual effect, and games consist mainly of gameplay effects, power-ups, magic and sword trails, and environmental effect, rain, smoke. Then different games have different amount of each. Here we will be implementing two kinds of game effects. Then we will be connecting both and effects to produce the realistic effect. So the development of matter effect naman is create a new particle system in Unity 3D. We need to design on originating effect in which water emerges from a point and fills in the ground. So we should adjust the basic information of the particle emitter, including life cycle, emission speed, maximum particle quantity, and so on. One of the important steps is turn on the gravity ball from the module. When we're finished, we will get water model on shown for the water particle system. And the animation editor. So in this is this is study This study aims to install, develop two particle system effects using Unity game engine and with assistance of scripting and programming. And this paper also deals with multiple particle system and their relation without computer graphics. Game is game is perhaps a touch boring. Sound effects are relatively easy to feature, have an enormous impact on enjoyment factor. Then in 3D games, special so in 3D games especially, this will usually involve particle system. The particle system used for creating smoke, fire, dust, and lots of specialty effects requiring an outsized number of comparable subjects. So Unity 3D particle system is extremely perfect and mature. Its good stability and excellent interactive interfaces provide amazing user experience for game developers. It can present practical sooner, more easily and conveniently. So this is the game particle system. So proceed sa game post-processing effects. So post-processing effects are customizable filters that allow you to quickly enrich the visual of your experience using the post-processing effects object in the lighting service or camera. You can so simulate a camera viewing a bright light and exaggerate its glow or bloom. Apply a Gaussian blur to entirety of your experience or add a blur to parts of your experience that are not in focus. The depth of field enhance an environment appearance to create a specific mode through color correction, render halo of light that moves with the sun, so the sun rays. So this is the example of landscape with depth of field effect applied simulating distance blur. So to add post-processing effect to either the lighting service or camera is the navigate to the Explorer window. However, over the lighting service or camera, then click the button, a conceptual menu display. Then 3, from the menu, insert one of the following post-processing effect. So this is the bloom. The bloom effects exaggerates light within your experience by simulating a camera viewing a bright light. When this effect has a high value, parts with the light colors glow. Then the blur effects applies a Gaussian blur to entirety of the 3D world view. You can use this effect to blur the background when a player has a menu open, allowing them to focus on the most important details. So this is the picture. And the color correction. So effects adjust color properties to enhance an environment appearance. You can also use this effect to provide player feedback, such as tinting the screen red when their character's health is low. Then the depth of field effects blur parts of your experience that are not in focus. You can use this effect to blur distance object of to focus a player on specific parts of your experience, such as an item in shop. So this picture is the example. Then the sun rays effect can create halo of light with rays around the sun that move based on the clock time or time of day property object between the player camera and the sun shape. This effect allowing for realistic visuals of light and shadow. So this is the example. That's the example of post-processing effects. So last we proceed to game P6 simulation. A P6 simulation game is a genre of video game that focuses on realistic P6 simulations to create an engaging interactive gaming experience. These games often incorporate principles of P6 simulate the behavior of objects, by environments, and character within the game world. So, a P6 simulation. So, P6 simulation games aim to provide player with a realistic and immersive experience by utilizing physics algorithms to model the motion and interaction of various elements within the game. This element can include object, vehicles, projectiles, fluid, and even character within the virtual world. So, by accurately simulating how objects move, collide, and react to forces such as gravity, friction, P6 simulation games offer player a unique gameplay experience that emphasizes authenticity and realism. This genre of game often requires player to apply real-world physics concept and problem-solving skill to overcome challenges and succeed in the game. So, quite simply, physics simulation within the engines work by making prediction of an object position and velocity using the laws of physics. We can advance the simulation along by a small amount of time, also known as delta time, by creating a quantity of calculation using a mathematical technique called integration. Then this the numerical integration takes an initial position and velocity of an object and calculates where that object position and what its velocity will be after the specified delta time P6 update to find then the key advantages of physics simulation games in their ability to provide player with a highly realistic gaming experience by accurately modeling the physical behavior of objects. Player can interact with the game world in that closely resemble real-world physics. This adds a layer of authenticity and immersion that enhance the overall gameplay experience. So, this is the example while using the C++. And the second is to implementing this into C++ would look something like this. So, this is the example of game physics simulation. You can So, by allowing players to interact with understand physical behavior of object and environment, physics simulation games provide a platform for learning, creativity, and discovery, whether used for entertainment or practical purposes. This genre games continues to push the boundaries of what visible in the world gaming and simulation. So, in educational setting, physics simulation games can be used as teaching aids to make complex physics concept more accessible and engaging for students by providing interactive and visual demonstration of physics principles. This game can enhance learning experience and stimulate in. So, the physics simulation game offer unique immersive gaming experience by incorporating realistic physics simulation into gameplay mechanics with their emphasis of authenticity and problem solving. This game not only entertain but also have practical application in industry such as engineering, research, and education. So, that's all. Thank you.